Leah.
And I'm Bria.
Okay, guys, so it's like really out and my life's over. But we're just gonna be doing. Hey, I'm Leah.
And I'm Bria. And today,
So we're. Yep, we're just gonna make sure you subscribe. I will try to if you want to see her point of view of this video, it's still in this channel. Just go to her video.
I will link her channel.
I'll
link that video down in the description.
And I'll link her channel down in the description. So we're just gonna do like a vlog type thing. It's like my first vlog, right, in like a long time. It's gonna be.
Put you guys in my pocket because we're gonna go to the park.
Yeah.
Let's
so
go.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start mixing my slime. I only have these two slimes.
I need to start my video because it's stopped.
In this like lime green color. It's still open.
Can you go on the front and go get the whiteboard so you have something to poke it on?
Okay. We're gonna use a whiteboard to just put it all down. And this is called petal slime. This is something me and Sabria made up.
Maybe it's a thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
But we didn't really think.
We didn't know it was a thing.
That probably is a thing.
Yeah, probably. There's a lot of people in the world.
I think everybody in the world has somebody who looks just like you.
Yeah. There's 7 billion people. You think there's one of you? This slime is pretty small, but I like it still.
Guys,
I'm gonna.
So, gonna put you guys right here. We're in 2 vlogs in 1.
Yeah.
Let me get my slime.
There we go. I'm just gonna. There's already some petals in there. Make sure it's a little sticky. Make sure your slime is just a little bit sticky so it actually sticks to it. And I'm just gonna do my first batch. Okay, so just gonna add some petals.
I'm just gonna dump some sour Skittles in my mouth. No, in my hand.
In my mouth.
Introducing new Pokemon. Yeah, guys, make sure it's sticky.
Yeah, make sure it's sticky. Because if it's not sticky, the petals won't stick. It's going to be a little crunchy. It's okay. You want it to be a little crunchy, a little thick. That's why we want you to make it sticky and kind of liquidy. And if it's not soft, just add some lotion to it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a pro at this, but
You know some things.
yeah, I know some things. Okay, so that's like a lot. So I'm just gonna do that.
Try not to add in like pollen. Like people that are allergic to pollen might be able, might not be able to use the slime
Yeah,
because it has pollen.
but I'm not allergic to pollen.
Me neither.
You're probably thinking, oh, everyone's allergic to pollen. No, they're not. It's just some people. If you add the seeds in it, it makes it really crunchy.
That's pollen.
Yeah, I knew that. So we're just picking one by one. You're gonna have to do that for a long time. So we'll meet you guys when we're halfway done.
Not.
Yeah, I'm not getting a tripod. I'm just gonna get a camera.
Tripods are only $27 at Walmart.
I'm just gonna get a camera, and then I'm just gonna cause you have to get a certain camera. You have to get a certain camera if you want a tripod.
Or I might just I don't know.
I'm gonna get that old-fashioned camera. My grandma has it. I'm gonna get that for now. That old-fashioned camera when you flip it open.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting that. My grandma has it. She's gonna give it to me.
I'm getting one of those cameras where you can turn, you have the.
Oh yeah, I've seen that before.
You have the camera, and then
You can flip it
the
open.
thing, and then you can see yourself. I'm getting that camera. It's only $30-something at Walmart. I saw it yesterday.
I'm gonna get that camera then. Shoot. You know, I saw a good camera on Amazon that was only $50. And it was like a good camera.
Yeah.
This is like such a vlog.
You guys, this is gonna be like
Good
hopefully
fun.
get a lot of views because we
We don't really get that many views.
Yeah.
But I'm not here for the views. I just like making YouTube videos.
Well, I like YouTube videos.
I just like making YouTube. I don't know why. I just like pulling out a camera.
Look at this.
Hers is so pretty. Mine is just like, hi, I'm dirty. Let me
I
see
might
yours.
dye this like a different color.
Why? Because pink isn't good. Pink is for cancer.
Then I like it.
Then I like it. I might dye this green.
Dye this green.
Dye.
Oh, the dye's in there. I brought it.
Oh, I might dye it yellow then. Nope, that'd make it green. Never mind.
Guys.
I'm gonna make it dark green.
Oh, that's actually pretty crunchy.
That's the point of the sign.
What? There's kids looking at us like right like in that window. There's a boy that's just looking.
Hi, I'm making a YouTube video. How are you? Like, have you never seen someone make a YouTube video before?
I've seen this guy, this
it's
little
pretty
kid
normal.
in Walmart. He was making a YouTube video. There was this guy walking in Walmart yesterday. He was walking in there like this. He had headphones on and everything. He was like,
Oh my god.
every time he took one step, he was hitting the folks just like that. I hit the folks better than that. I think everybody does, except for that weirdo. Weirdo, if you're watching this and you walk in Walmart like that, bro, you need to dance better.
Dance better, people.
Yeah. If you guys got Musical.ly, watch some videos of my friend Salma.
Yep.
I need to learn
Pro.
how to
She's
dance.
She's a pro.
She's a pro, guys. She's a pro. She moved. She didn't tell us that she was
Sadly.
moving.
I know, right? She betrayed us.
She betrayed us.
We were gonna go over her house too.
Yeah, we were having a sleepover.
I just have like all these.
Oh, I'll
petals.
link her thing down in the description.
If that were you were wondering, like, where is what's her
channel?
name?
What's her channel?
It's like Blue Candy.
Blue Candy 101.
That's her channel and her Musical.ly.
Yeah.
I'll put it on. You'll see it. I'll do some editing, and you'll see it. You'll see it like the text, and I'll leave it on the video for like a minute.
Guys, let's pop. I'm gonna pop a photo right up there of her. I'm joking.
I'm gonna pop a photo of her right now. 5,
Right
4,
there.
3, 2, 1. April Fools! Sucker. I'm joking.
It's Easter. I'm joking.
It's-
It's past Easter.
Yeah, Easter was like 3 days
Easter
ago.
was Sunday.
That was 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Actually, 3 days ago. 3 days ago.
3 days ago. I was like, what?
I think I'm almost done with mine.
This slime is nice. Look at this.
I love my slime. Mine's not as pretty as yours. Let me see yours. Yeah, you can see mine. Oh, hers is so pretty.
I don't
Mine
even
is...
want to touch this. This is a mess.
Yours is just so pretty. It's so pretty.
I can help yours.
No, it's not. It's not that. I just want. I want to make mine crunchier.
No, I'm saying that. That's what I'm talking about. I can
Oh.
make yours crunchy.
I'm just gonna be like, pop it.
I actually want mine to be crunchy. Maybe we could add flowers at the top of it. I'm gonna add like my whole container of glitter in it.
You're gonna have your whole container of glitter.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna do that too.
I think. Should I dye it purple?
Yes. Dye mine purple too.
Okay. Let's add some red.
I like some red.
We're gonna make. No wonder the red doesn't like Cheyenne. She looks red.
It's not really turning purple, but it will.
Maybe we could add some on the whiteboard.
And then just swoop it up. Oh
Nice.
God, it looked like someone died.
I don't even care if this thing gets messed up. I'm gonna add in
It's a white.
some
one.
red.
It's like a light purple.
Yeah, that's how mine is gonna
Mine's
be.
so poppy.
Then I'm gonna add in a bit of blue.
I already have blue in mine, so all I need is red. It's like a light purplish.
Bruh, she used up my blue. Is that a bee? Oh no, it's a fly.
You think the bees are gonna come out like right now?
The bees are out.
Right now?
Yeah.
I got a little bit out. You don't really need that much, but I like dark purple for some reason.
I want a light purple.
I love dark purple.
Guys, we're going to be... Stay tuned for the Satisfying Slime ASMR.
Uh-huh.
If we post it.
If we post it. I'm going to link her video down below. Well, Sabria is, because I don't know how to link videos.
Yeah.
Just go back to our channel and you'll see her video. We might not post it today. I'm not sure. Dang! I think yours messed it up.
No, it just needs to get mixed in.
Hers is just like,
Look at this.
it's like a glue ball.
It's actually pretty, though.
Yeah. It's like galaxy, kind of.
Look.
Whoa.
Guys.
You have dark purple.
I wanted mine to be light. But this is cool.
I love dark purple.
At least I have a purple slime.
I'm going to add some blue to it.
I need some more activator. Hold on. I'm going to use the borax. I mean, not borax. Making sure this is on our table. On my table.
Okay, so I'm just going to like do that and then just mix it in. I don't really need activator. I make some good slime. If it smells bad, we're just gonna use some this is a nice color. We're gonna use some body butter. Yeah.
If your slime is sticky, just put it on here and it's not sticky.
Yours is kind of turning like a purple. Look at mine. I added some blue to it. Blue makes it darker.
I can help you squeeze the blue out. The blue is easy to squeeze out.
I got some out.
Oh, this is dark. I think I want mine like a magenta color.
I want mine really dark.